Alright guys, I'm back again for you guys. Today I wanted to do a video and I want your input too, but I want to show you how I do something. So, the way before I put stuff on Plex when I do my media, just in case Plex ever gets erased or whatever, or just make it easier to add to Plex, I like to have my stuff named correctly. So I got my Broly Blu-ray collection right here of my Broly movies. I'm just giving you an example. If you don't like Dragon Ball Z, well, power to you. I love it, but if you don't like it, what can I tell you? I'm just giving you an example here. We can't pick the best examples for everyone. But I have a software, and I have, I'm going to be giving it to you guys. And hey, if you guys know something better that does it even better, and if it doesn't have to pay for it, because I don't like to have to pay for a lot of software unless it's a one-time payment. I'm always down for one-time payment stuff, but not monthly or any of that stuff. But show me. This is a tool that I used to use before I did Plex. I was a WDTV guy. Before they kind of the streaming services really hit big or anything like that. And I was able to have my library. It was easy, didn't cost too much. And they had this cool tool that I still use today when I'm doing Plex. And I have been using this tool, gosh, 8-10 years maybe or something like that. It's been a long time. And I do it every time before I put movies on. When I burn my movies and put them on Plex, I always do this. It just makes it so much easier. And Plex can find them. And the nice thing is, you know how, I'm not trying to say it, but Plex usually, with doing it this way, I would say 98% of the time, Plex never gets it wrong. Every once in a while, for a wheeled movie, it might get it wrong, but you can tell, because this program is going to add pictures and all that art, and then you'll say like, well, why does the artwork say this movie, but the bottom says this movie? I need to go and fix the match on that. So it's pretty dang helpful. Barely ever happens, like I said. 98% of the time, it does not happen. But, yeah. Let's get right into it. So, I got my Broly movie here. I'm not going to play too much. Get copyright infringement on it. Just showing you like that. That's the Broly movie. This one is, it doesn't matter what, I don't care what size, but I'll just show you what size it is. 9 gigs. It's not bad. It's a Blu-ray. It's short, but it's not bad at all. So, then I have this program tool. This is the first generation. I also have this generation. This is the first generation. This message, same with this one, always comes up. This is an old program. It works. Doesn't matter. Just bypass it. Whatever. Continue. Here we go. So, all you got to do, I'm going to put both versions there. I've been using the first version that I've had, this 2.31 for a long time. The second version I'm going to show you next, I just got that today because I looked up for it. And I was like, oh, I wonder if there's a new version because they don't really make that WDTV anymore, so they probably don't. And then I was like, oh, there's a second version, but you know, I didn't look for it, and I've been using this one for years, no problems. All the new movie, doesn't matter. The cool thing is, you can go to Get, so you can get the video. First, you want to go to this little button here, and you want to go see it's on my desktop. So I'm just going to show you it's on my desktop, and I'll just go to, okay, it's going to detect the movies that are on my desktop. If I put it in a folder, I'll just put a new folder and call it DB, boom. Put this in there. Then we'll go back here again. I'll go down to DB, okay. There's nothing here, go get video, boom. It's gonna show it. I can either manually search for the title and look up information. So I can just go look up manually, so it's gonna scan online and say, okay, what's that movie? And it's gonna see if it can find it. Let's see if it finds it. Usually it doesn't take, just depends. Wait, did I do it? Come on. Oh, see, it might not. Let's do manually search. Okay, let's take this off and put the Y. Oops. And go search. There it is. Boom. So it wasn't coming up that way. Boom. It searches all the information right here. I can go, like, if there's different ones here, like if I just put Dragon Ball and I go to refresh search. Let's see if, oh, Dragon, I forgot the B. There we go. Refresh search. There we go. All the section, all the movies of all the different movies, I can just pick it. We're just going to go cancel that. So if I go to back to here, usually it'll have this at the first part. If I were to just go here, I'm glad I'm showing you this because that happens sometimes. You might not find it. Most of the time, it never has a problem. You just click manually search, look up, and it's going to show it right there for you. We're going to go get video again. May look up information. Boom, found it. That's how usually it is. Just that little kind of Blu-ray thing can mess with it. Just delete it and get it. But this is the cool thing. It shows all the information right here, the synopsis, all this, and it's going to write that. So we're going to go to this file right here, and I'm going to watch it change, and we're just going to go to, yeah, save this one. Boom. Now it created the copy that's with it, this, and then MXL. And it will do, if you have subtitles too, it'll have it in here too, and it'll name the subtitles there for you too. So it'll be perfect. But yeah, if you guys know a better program, you can do multiple. Usually it's just quick and easy. Oops, that's whatever I'm doing. Usually it's just quick and easy. I just add a whole bunch of movies in there, and I'll just go in and add them. Like, if it already has it, let's go to one of my movies I already have, Dragon Ball Z everything, because I have every Blu-ray in my. I have everything Dragon Ball Z Blu-ray. Everything that can be Blu-ray, I have it. We'll go and DVDs too. We'll go to this PC, and I'm gonna go to Dragon Ball Z everything. I'm gonna go to movies. And we'll go to, it's my hard drive's booting up. I can hear it on my servers really quick. And 3, 2, because it's been asleep, because nobody's doing anything on it. Okay, so now it's up and running. It'll be quick. We'll go to Dragon Ball Z. Okay. I'm going to go to Get. See, there it is. See, everything's already in there. It already did everything in there, so I don't have to worry. Just scroll down. All the Dragon Ball Z movies that are in there. They're already all good. They're already all named. I can click them, see the information of what they are right there. It already has them in there. Usually, if they don't, they'll be blank, and I just go through and go look up manually. Save this one. Yep, and you can go here. This is a cool thing. I'm like, I don't really like this one. What kind of background do I want for that movie? And then I'll oh yeah, I like that one. And then I'll hit save. If it's not, all you got to do, this is the cool thing again. We're going to go back just to show you. Let's say you're like, I don't really like that cover. Put it back in here. We're going to go to Get again. We're in this Dragon Ball Z Broly movie right here. I'm just going to go to this, delete, this, delete. Look, it's gone. We'll go Get again. It's gone. Now we'll go search again, look up information. And I'll go, let's see. It's the same one again. That one. Let's just do that one. Boom. Save, and boom. Now we got those new ones here now. So now the default, when Plex gets it, it'll default. Not saying these posters are the greatest art, but it just helps you. Then you go into Plex and go, yep, that's the right movie. I'll make it what poster I want in Plex art. But it's just good to have this, because if Plex goes away for some stupid reason, or another kind of TV service doesn't give you these posters, it's nice to be able to do this to kind of better organize it and know that that's that movie of that or whatever. So it's really nice. It names it perfectly for you, puts the year at the end of it. It just works, and I've been doing this every time. I'll do my movies. I'll go boom, 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 throw it onto my server after, put it into Plex, scan it, boom. It'll find it like instantly. Never had a problem. Like, I would say 99% of the time it finds it. Now, when I do this, never does not find it, basically. That's just some weird show that not many people know about, but you loved it as a kid, or watched it once. Then you might have a problem where you'll have to go search and find it and match it on Plex. But usually it's fine. But I just wanted to put this out there for you guys. I'm going to be putting both of these programs right here, the version 1 and 2. Let me show you version 2. So I'll show you the difference. Version 2, same thing, it'll come up again. Yep, continue, whatever. Yes, doesn't matter. I've been doing this for a while, it always does that. That's fine. So this one, you can see the difference right here. Show panel details, process all, process view is now there instead. Options is still there. I haven't really messed with options ever. Categorize, alphabet, I don't really do that. You can figure that out yourself. I just do it my way. Everybody has their own kind of method. I'm just trying to help people out here. It's a pretty cool thing. It doesn't do TV shows. I know that. Plex kind of does that pretty good itself. And yeah, if you guys know a TV show one, hey, that's free, or you pay a one-time payment for it and it's rocking and rolling, put it down in the links. I want to see these. I want to see you guys rocking and rolling in these comments. I want to know. I'm not trying to say mine's the best, but I'm just trying to help people that don't have any way, or the way that I do it, or they think, oh, I like your way better or something, because it kicks butt. Let's see here. I'll show you something cool. Let's go to, let's see here. Let's see what else we got here. So yeah, so we have this. But let's see if it looks like the same. We'll get the same video. Let me go back down to here, get. Okay, click. Oh, what is that? Is that new? It doesn't think it does. Yeah, that's definitely new, because I know this. It does not do that. So that's one thing, I guess. Can I scroll down it? Okay, no, it just shows that. Okay, well, I guess, okay, it shows it every time you click over it, and it doesn't do that here. Okay. Don't know why it needs to do that, but whatever. I mean, it doesn't bother me. It just seems, I don't know, a waste. But here we go. Let's see, and that's about it. I don't know what process dump really means yet. Like clicking this, I don't know what these mean. Let's see if I right-click in options. Nope. So yeah, basically, I'm going to put both versions there. If you guys find cool stuff that another one can do, the other one can't do, let me know. I've been using the 2.31 one. I haven't been using Live Hub 2, so I just use Live Hub. So the original one, I've used it for years, back when the WDTV was around. That's the one I've been using it for so long. And yeah, just, put in the comments. And, if you guys like these videos, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification so you guys don't miss any of these videos. But yeah, I think this is a really cool program. And like I said, you can do hundreds of videos. If you have all the James Bond, all the big movie box set collection, put them all in here, put get, all the James Bonds will just come down here, you just right click, boom, look up information, and then you can, or you can manually search too, like I said, click manually search. Oh, you can delete the file too if you wanted to. Aggressive lookup. I've never really done aggressive lookup, what that does, but yeah, you can do, oh, that's different. So that's, oh yeah, user images. You can add your own images in too. Forgot about that. And then, what else can we do? I don't really do. Move to another, rename back to the original name, so you can do that too if you mess up too. So that's pretty cool. But yeah, it's just a cool way to do it, and I just wanted to help you guys out. I mean, whoever doesn't want to organize their Plex, and let's not be like a hateful thing on this. Let's try and actually help people out, and this is why I'm putting this video out for you guys, to help people better organize their libraries. Because when you organize the libraries, it makes a world of difference compared to scatterbrain libraries, compared to a library. Unless you like scatterbrain, hey, I'm not judging. If you like it, it makes you happy, power to you. But yeah, so the most important thing of all is you and your family are having a rock and rolling day. Peace out. I'll catch you in the next one, and I hope to see you soon.